Cherry blossoms, for flourishing flowers bloom in its peak during late winter and early spring, is one of the tourist attractions in Macau. Beneath the gliding Guia Hill Cable Car are rows of blossoming Bellflower Cherries. Aside from charming birds flitting from tree to trees, it also attracts local residents, tourists, and shutterbugs. Planted in the Flora Garden, located in the foot of the Guia Hill along Avenida De Sidonio Pais, a garden of aviary, zoo, and courtyard. Prunus Campanulata, a scientific name of this bellflower cherry, a variety of cherry blossom tree that is capable to grow in the soil with a subtropical climate like Macau. After leaf abscission, the small bell-shaped flowers start to bloom. The flowers could stay for at least 4 to 7 days. Lovely birds would love and enjoy playing with the petals of the cherry blossoms. To this day, Macau has set up additional garden with cherry blossoms as part of its beautification and expansion of gardens in the city.